Today is
I knew in my heart you didn't send it.
We're usually blinded by the people that we care about the most.
As a matter of fact, I did call your grandfather.
Today is December 24, 2024. And it's about to be Christmas tomorrow. And wala ko ni uli. So, ako na ko sundiri sa sa mani. Oh my God. Ako sa dito sa condo since Christmas naman niya ulit ako isuan. I guess the point ka na nakadari is to see pila na ko ka-person independent. I know, independence doesn't mean hindi na kami sa mga tao sa my life, but I just wanna know kung kanang okay na ba ko? Unsa ako ma-feel after Christmas without spending it with my family? I'll make sure I'll eat some cake tonight. I'll make my own Christmas trees and make my own Christmas cards today. Tonight is gonna be the brightest Christmas night. I used to have like a really big love for Christmas. I love the Christmas. Christmas is my favorite season, and I love holidays. So basically, Christmas is the best. And right now that I'm not spending it with my family, I do feel normal. I don't know if after handa, ikaw ba maluto? I was thinking of going out karon to buy some stuffs, but then I'm sakit akong pusong ginina kaya babae karon. So I don't know, but I'll tell you unsa ko ma-feel during my first Christmas alone. But hey, I made myself a letter and a Christmas tree. It looks pretty. I love Christmas. There's a gap between you and me, but I'll be there for New Year's Day. So I hope the comfort you need, I'll be there. But for now, I will be alone. I will be alone, but I'm excited to find my own traditions this Christmas season. Goodbye.